Hello there, we have almost finished our advent calendar. We've got 4 more doors to open. Today is the 21st, so we're opening our 21st door. So let's have a look behind it. So here we go, here's a picture of our 3 wise men who are with Jesus and Mary and Joseph. And the Bible verse is Matthew chapter 2 verse 11. They offered to him gifts, gold, frankincense and myrrh. So there we go. The 3 wise men have followed the star, found Jesus in a manger in a stable, and they are now offering him gifts of gold, frankincense and myrrh. These are wonderful and meaningful gifts to give Jesus. So come back tomorrow as we open our next door.